Right, what you need to do now is, along here, I've got 9 pins. And then it tells you in the pattern how many rows to come up. And then what you need to do is you're going to just go down on a slope. So pin that around there, just go down a little bit on a slope. So that's 9. All right. What you need to do then is get a piece of card, a 6x8. And then all you're going to do is you're going to wrap round 45 times. Okay. So just keep wrapping it round 45 times. I'll not keep doing that because I'm sure you know what I mean. And then at the bottom of it, you cut it. So then when you cut it, this is what we get. So here, you've then got your hair. All right. So you've got your straps of hair here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to basically thread the hair through there. So let's do the first one. So we need a piece of a sewing needle. So this is how you're going to do it. So you're going to come up above the pin and down underneath like that. Okay. So just pull it through like that. Okay. And then just make sure that they're sort of the same sort of length. So if they're not, just pull it. So you've got the same sort of length there. Just this one needs to be a little bit longer. So then all you're going to do is you're going to come back through. All right. So take that pin out. And that's it, back through it. So then you've got your hair. That's your first one. That's not going to come out or anything. You get a little bobble there. And that's it. That's your first one. So you need to continue doing this all the way across. So let's do another one to show you. As easy as that, but it looks so effective, this hair. So pull it through and we're all ready to just thread my needle. It's a bit time consuming this, but it gives you a really good effect. So the next one, so just go along. All right. So you can go along like that and then fill in the gaps like this. Just missed a pin there. Should be another pin there. So I'll put the pin there. Okay. So you're going to come out. You're going to go down there, through the bottom of it. Pull that through and just make sure that they're about the same, just a little bit. This one a tad longer because you're making the bubble. So through there, take your pin out. Pin out. That down there like that. There we go. So basically, you're going to do that all the way along. All right. So I'll finish off doing that all the way along and then I'll come back and show you how to do the back. Right, once you've done that, just pull the hair forward like that over the face and then we're going to turn it over and then we're going to do the back of the head. So basically, all it is, it's just the same. So you're going to go from there at the top of the pin through to the bottom. Exactly the same as what you've just been doing. All right, so just pull it through. It might be a bit tight because it's stuffing, like I say. And just make sure that that's lined up a little bit longer than that. And then just pull it through there like that. Pull the pin away. So basically, you're just going to do the same again all the way down. All right. So just move that to the side. Keep doing it all the way down. And that section then is another section that we've done. So what I'll do, I'll just do another one so you can see what I'm doing. And then I'll let you do it and then we'll carry on. So again, the top of it, underneath, like that. And then that one, just make sure they're lined up. That's a little bit longer, the top one with the because you're going to make the bubble. All right, so just through there like that. And then just pull that through. And then pull it out your needle. There's your bubble. Just keep putting it to the side and do that all the way down. Right, so now that's all down the back. The best thing to do is you can either pin into sections and do a section at a time, or you can just do random pieces of hair from one side to the other. So let me just show you. So the best way to, let's see if I can show you. what I want to do is basically, you're not going to fill in every gap in the head. That's not going to happen, because obviously it's going to be quite full anyway. So when you do the ponytail and that, you'll be fine. So basically, we could start from here, and we can start from the top here, and then maybe go down here, or you can come across. So we could start by coming across there, like that. So again, lining it up. Pull it through there, like that. So we can keep coming across here, and then doing the top bit there. And then once you've done that side, you go to that side. So just keep doing bits at a time. All right, you've got all your strands of hair here, so you've plenty of hair. So just keep using it, and just make sure that you're using the same amount at this side as you are at that side. So a little tip would be to just split. You've wrapped it round 45 times, so then just split it into, well, almost two. Obviously, you're going to have one more than the other, so, but just split it. If it's easier for you, just split it, and then just, you know, you've got enough for that side, enough for that side. Once you've done these, the forehead, so you've got 9 at the front, then you've got your forehead down here, pin all the way down to the back. So then whatever's left, if you want to split it, and then you know you've got for this side and this side, you've got enough, and it's going to be even. So I'll let you pop along and do that, and then we'll do the next stage. So here's Molly, all the hair completed. I've even dressed her, put the bow in, the little flower in the hair, and put the little ribbons in. So basically, can you see, if you've got some little white bits, you can cross them over with the hair. If you look at the back, you've got some that's just coming out there. But can you see how you just fill in the gaps, and then because it's bushy anyway, you're not going to see everything. So that's just perfect. So it is quite full. So just play with her hair and just mess about. You might even want a pony in at the back. Do you know what I mean? So just keep playing. Do sections at a time. That's all you need to do. You've plenty of yarn with the kit that I've sent out to make it even bushier. So don't get too worried about you've not got enough yarn or anything to put in to fill the gaps. But it looks so cute. It's just like a proper ragdoll. So that now is the hair done. And then all you need to do is sew up your garments and just dress her. So this is Molly all dressed already. She's ready to go out now and play with Ollie and Lily. So if you want anything, any other kits or anything, they're all on my website, and the link is above. So hopefully you've enjoyed the videos, and I've followed you step by step. Any if you're not sure with anything or anything, just message me.